In a village by a pristine lake, the villagers noticed the water turning murky. They debated the cause, some blaming the nearby mining operations. A young philosopher, curious and concerned, decided to investigate. He discovered that the mining was indeed polluting the water, affecting the fish and plants. The villagers faced a dilemma: continue benefiting from the mine or protect their ecosystem. The philosopher proposed a solution: sustainable mining practices. The villagers agreed, realizing that wisdom lay in balance. The lake slowly healed, and the community learned the value of harmony with nature.